We arrived here. We left McBride with 52%, arrived with 30, so took 22% to get from McBride to Mt Robson on my Tesla Model 3 long range. Shortly, West Canada will be joining me here to test out all these charging stations. And where are we? We're at Mt Robson. Absolutely stunningly beautiful here. Huge mountain. Rarely do you see the top. It's always covered in clouds. Beautiful all around, and really cloudy, rainy days, so you don't get to see a whole lot here. But what you do see looks pretty impressive, I would say. And by the way, that's Highway 16, the Yellowhead Highway. That's the visitor center all over there, and it's right here as part of the parking lot. Actually, that's the restaurant gas place, and the visitor center is over there. All right, everybody, we are at Mt Robson, and this is a video showing how to do DC fast charging with these chargers. It's a little bit different from all the other ones I've done, just to show you that beautiful Mt Robson up there. That's the visitor center. Come right up to here. All the chargers are right over here. Now, 1, 2, 3, those are 7 kilowatt chargers. They work. You just plug them in. You don't have to do anything else. It just charges. This flow charger, it doesn't work. Requires a network connection. It's not working right now. This is a 25 kilowatt charger, just like some of the other places in the province, okay? But these are not networked. They're not hooked up to a network. So the way that you charge with these chargers is going to be different. So this one is working fully. This one is working at half capacity. So you get 6 kilowatts here, and you should get up to 25 from this guy here. Now, how does this work? So if you have a car that has an adapter, like Tesla, this CHAdeMO adapter, to make these work, you have to plug in, firstly, and this is the order is important. You first have to plug in your CHAdeMO adapter into the Tesla, okay? Because these units, they're looking for something that's powered that has the CHAdeMO adapter. Now, if you have CCS, you know, same deal. Make sure that everything's plugged into your car, and then you just come over here, push this little button in, pull it out. All right, and then pop it in here, and you don't push any buttons. Doing this with one hand, so it's kind of a challenge. Okay, so here we go. As soon as I clip that in, we look over here, and it should automatically start charging. It says preparing. It automatically detects. You do not need to push buttons. The instructions here talk about all this stuff. Plug in your vehicle. Your vehicle should now start charging. Correct. You do not need to push this button, but if you want to stop charging, you can push this button to stop, but you don't need to push anything to start charging. So now it's charging. Let's go see how many kilowatts we got. All right, so we're at 17 kilowatts. You know, it'll go up to 25. It's just ramping up. But as you can see, that's pretty decent for Mt Robson. So we are good to go. So once again, plug in this adapter first, then hook up the CHAdeMO adapter from the charger into the adapter, and then it's going to work. If you do it the other way around, if you hook up this CHAdeMO adapter to the CHAdeMO to the adapter first, and then you plug it into the Tesla, it's not going to work. This unit will not detect the proper signal, and you will not get it charging. It'll just sit there and do nothing. Your Tesla will say waiting for charge, and it won't work. Okay, so once again, First, plug in your CHAdeMO adapter into your car, then plug the unit into your adapter, and you'll be good to go. So recap, the FAR 3 over there, they all work. J1772 plug 7 kilowatt. Blue one does not work. Full capacity 25 kilowatt, CHAdeMO and CCS. Half capacity, currently, they're gonna fix this, but you only get about 10 kilowatts, 6 to 10 kilowatts, CHAdeMO and CCS. Hope that helps you out, guys. Thanks. Up, guys. To stop your charge, push this button. Charging complete. At this point, you should be able to disconnect. Put this back. And roll up the cable nicely. All right. If there's a problem with like an error code, follow step number 1. You push the button, twist, that resets the unit, and it'll come back to the normal menu and you can just follow the steps again. All right, hope that helps you guys.